15 reasons having business credit is a must for every successful company, and how not having it will cost you. Business credit is credit in a business name linked to the business's employment identification number. This is credit for a business. It's not linked to the owner personally. It's also not linked to their personal Social Security number. Using business credit, a business owner can get vendor credit cards, high-limit accounts with most major retailers, fleet credit, and cash credit, including Visa and MasterCard. Get approved for business credit accounts regardless of personal credit quality. When you build business credit the right way, there is no Social Security number supplied on the application. With no SSN supplied, there is no personal credit pool. Because of this, a business owner can get high-limit business credit accounts. This is regardless of personal credit, no matter how bad it may be. Personal credit quality does not matter. Bonus reason number 16. Establish a business credit history before it's needed. Establish a credit history before it's really needed. Credit history is one of the components of calculating your business credit score. The longer and better your credit history, the better a business's credit score will be. When you consider what credit score is needed for a business loan, then you need every bit of your credit score you can get. If you start early, it can only help you. Bonus reason number 17. Keep business credit for unprofitable times. Prepare for lean times. If you are in a seasonal business, this is a part of the DNA of your company. But every business can go through leaner times. If you have to make payroll or equipment payments or cover rent, you will need business credit to get by. By establishing business credit before you actually need it, you are far more likely to get better terms or even credit at all. Bonus reason number 18. Business credit means trade credit. Trade credit can really help you. You should use it. Work directly to establish a relationship and get credit floated to you for the things you need all the time. Plus, true starter vendors report to at least one of the CRAs. Bonus reason number 19. Business credit can lead to bank loans. Business credit means you can eventually get bank loans. If a business opportunity is just too good to pass up, you often need to act quickly, but you may not have that kind of cash on hand. Establishing business credit means bank loans will be granted more quickly and with better terms. Bonus reason number 20. Business credit payment history matters. Your payment history matters. Always. It affects a business credit score more profoundly than pretty much anything else. Pay your bills on time, in full, and you'll have good business credit. Establishing business credit early means you'll have that many more times and opportunities to establish a good payment history as well. Let's recap. There are a lot of reasons business credit can help any business. It's independent of personal credit, so using it doesn't affect utilization rate. It can be built quickly. Since anyone can see business credit reports, building business credit bolsters your reputation with suppliers, customers, and even competitors. Business credit protects your personal assets and doesn't require personal guarantees. Business credit increases the value of a business, and it determines loan approval and quality. It effectively doubles your borrowing ability and has very high limits. Even startups can get it with no financials or collateral. It is a huge competitive advantage and is the best way to fund a business. Big established companies use it. Why shouldn't you? Build business credit before you really need it, and it can only help you. Contact us today to learn more about 15 reasons having business credit is a must for every successful company and how not having it will cost you.